It is an asp. Finally. Pike. No way, guys. Double trouble. Hola everyone, welcome back to another fishing adventure in and around Barcelona, and today I tried to catch something that I've been longing for, I don't know, years and years and years, and this is the magnificent topwater predator, the asp. I accidentally bumped into one asp earlier, that was a couple of years ago. It was super tiny, but this is how I know there must be asp around Spain. Actually, this is the first time when I'm out and targeting specifically asp. So wish me luck, there's a lot of activity in the water. We're gonna try a topwater lure first and see how it goes. All right, let's see the inflow of the river. There is no sign of fish at all. Oh, oh yeah, we got something. Ha. Now that is a cute little perch, and it's gone. Oh, I think that was a snag. Oh, that's a fish. And it's a small fish, but finally, ladies and gentlemen, it is an asp. No, okay. 27 centimeters, but this is the first official asp from me in Catalonia. There you go. Got out from the kayak and just left it there. The river is crystal clear. I see chubs, that's for sure. I've seen perch as well. By the way, I'm still using this little diver wise minnow. This is the lure that caught me the asp, so I'm just gonna keep trying with this one. Plus it's tiny enough for this tiny little river. Yes! Oh, what a bite! Oh, Jesus. That was a chub. Ah, yes! Oh, ah, there's a hole in there. Nice! Haha! Come here, Gordy. Oh, that's not a bad chub, considering how small this river is. Okay. The wise minnow got this one as well. Fabulous. Yeah, it's definitely bigger than the asp. It is sort of 30, 35-ish. Right. Cool. Ha! soft plastic. I thought maybe I can get a perch while I'm waiting for the afternoon to come. Yes. It's not the biggest perch, not that I'm complaining. Yes, that didn't take long. Oh, maybe there is a shoal of perch around here. Beautiful. Okay, let's get it back. There we go. Oh, oh, that was a nice bite. Ah, that was another one. It's just a 2-gram jig head. Oh, not even jig head, it's just a cheburashka head. And the soft plastic is called tanta. Ooh. Ah, that was a nice perch. And the fourth species, a small pike. Oh, that was a really good something, but the hook set wasn't great. Maybe that was another pike, I don't know. Could have been. Yeah, I think there are pikes down there. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. And another pike. Wow, okay. I'm absolutely loving today's session. We are not smashing it, but this doesn't mean anything. We are catching, we have plenty of action since the afternoon. Many species, and we already caught an asp. I think I'm just gonna casually paddle back to my launching point. I did not aim for pike today, so basically I pushed down the barbs on most of my hooks to protect the asp, chub. Of course, perch and pike doesn't really need that. I'm gonna go back, just enjoy the paddling. Hopefully it's not gonna be too much wind, and maybe, if I'm lucky, I can get another asp or two. Oh yeah, that is a nice bite. What are you, dude? Don't jump. Oh, that's a pike again. It's a tiny one. Come on, Gordy. There we go. 33 centimeter long pike, but finally one came out. All right, Gordy. Oh, that's nice. Feels a little better, but no, it's the same size of a pike. We have some sort of an excitement at least. Ah, yes. Maybe that's gonna be my exit fish. No way, guys. Double trouble. Have you seen anything like this before? Because I'm sure I haven't. Now there is a twist towards the end of the fishing session. Many thanks for coming. It's tiny, but that was quite an experience. It's a little bit bigger. Yeah. Go and eat something proper.
You have arrived at your destination.
Gotcha! What an incredible end for the session, not to mention the double perch. We were looking for asps, we found only one, a small one, but hey, mission accomplished, and the pike and the perch just stole the show today. Alright, I'm gonna finish quickly because there is still somewhat like a 30 minutes paddling is waiting for me. Like if you liked, and consider subscribing if you haven't done it already. If you would like to keep continuing, I'm gonna put videos somewhere around here. Many thanks for stopping by and hopefully see you soon. Take care. Adios. Bye bye.